And for me, like, consistency is something that kind of, di naman pressure, but you know, I'm very, very particular with the content that I put out. And the thing is, you all know that I'm not super active on TikTok. I'm not really doing my YouTube anymore. And for a time kasi, it kind of became parang a huge pressure for me. Na when I did my TikTok, parang they were saying, oh, kailangan every 2 weeks or kailangan every month meron kang i-post. And at some point, it became taxing to me. But, you know, especially for someone kasi who loves sharing. But the thing is, someone who's also very particular with content, you know, it's something that I really struggle with. But I completely agree with both Marge and what Ray said earlier na, you know, you really have to live in the real world. Because when you're always on social media, you tend to parang ang nakikita mo na lang is whatever happens on social media, that's the real world. Na we kind of forget na, okay, pag wala na tayo sa phone, parang, what am I gonna do now? You know, I got to that point way back, but eventually I kind of able to, you know, get myself out of the social media world and enjoy the real world.
Exactly.